Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can join MidJourney. So what you can do over here is open a browser in your PC and then click open new tab. Then on the search bar you type in midjourney.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of MidJourney. Once you're at the official webpage, you need to click on join the beta over here. Click that. This will open the Discord. So before you join the MidJourney, you will need to have a verified Discord account. If you do not have a Discord account, you can create one. And if you have, you just need to click on accept invite over here. Click that. You need to go through some CAPTCHA. Click on I am human. Go through the verification. MidJourney is an independent research lab exploring new medium of thoughts and expanding the imaginative. Once you did, you'll see a new Discord server in your Discord app or in the browser window where you're running Discord. You can now start creating images. Now go to the newbie channel. It might be named something as newbie 123 or 120. Here you can see, click that. Here you will be able to generate new images. So this is a way how you can join MidJourney. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.